This week we will cover strategic knowledge and affective factors. If you are working with a child who is in 1st through 6th grade, the first assessment you will administer is the Elementary Reading Attitude Survey. It is a normed survey. Please read over the information provided in the article on how the survey was normed. This survey has 20 questions featuring the Garfield cartoon character. Questions 1 through 10 deal with reading at home or for fun. Questions 11 through 20 address academic reading. It doesn't matter if the student reads the questions or if you do. Since this is not an assessment of the student's reading ability, it's fine for you to read the questions or statements to them. The student will circle the Garfield picture that most closely matches the way they feel about the question or statement. It's fine if you need to clarify some of them for the child if they have any questions. After administering the assessment, put it away and go on to the next one. You can score it later when the child has gone home. If you are working with a student who is in 7th grade or above, you will administer the Adolescent Reading Attitude Survey, which is found in your textbook. The next assessment is the Writing Attitude Survey. This survey has 28 questions designed to determine how the student feels about writing. If you are working with a less skilled reader, you will need to read the survey to them. If you feel that your student can easily read the statements, then they may read it to themselves. If your student is a slow reader, you may prefer to read it to them to save time. The interest inventory is also administered this week. It will help you get to know the student's likes and dislikes. This will help you make recommendations for your student. It's okay to read the interest inventory to the child. You may explain anything that might not be understood. It can be administered in a conversation. Here are some important considerations for writing recommendations for your student. The next 2 slides are an overview of your second report. Here are some reminders for your report on strategic knowledge and affective factors.